welcome to or back to my channel. So today I'm back with a super exciting video. Today I'm going to be doing a getting in the Christmas spirit type of vlog. Decorating, setting up my Christmas tree, baking, shopping, like all kinds of things. Like literally the ultimate preparing for Christmas vlog. I'm so excited. I think it's going to be so much fun and I'm really excited to take you guys along with. Definitely give this a big thumbs up if you like these types of videos. If you'd like to see more videos like this on my channel, comment below some things you like to do to kind of like get into the Christmas mood. Definitely make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Turn on the notification bell. Follow me on Instagram at emilygrace.26. And let's just get into the video. First things first, I'm gonna do a little clothing haul because personally, I feel like nothing gets me more excited than fashion. I feel like having cute clothes to wear definitely helps me get into the mood so I can have cute things to wear to all the different like holiday occasions and events. I'll do a little haul from Nasty Gal. I picked up all coats, all like layering pieces. I believe they're all on sale right now for Black Friday, so I'm gonna have all that information down below in my description. I actually am partnering with Nasty Gal on this video, so thank you so much to Nasty Gal for sponsoring. I'm gonna have everything linked below so you can find all Nasty Gal products and purchase through the links in my description. So I'm gonna have all sizing details and links and everything below. So let's do a little haul. I literally love Nasty Gal's pieces. It's definitely an essential part, I feel like, for getting in the mood. Definitely make the winter weather more acceptable. Oh, everything looks so cute already. The first coat I picked up is this one. You guys probably can't see it very good, so I'll show a little try on clip. It's this kind of like long, dressy coat. I just think this is so cute. Definitely an essential in your winter wardrobe. I have another one kind of similar to this, and I find myself wearing it so often. I actually showed a similar one to this in my like holiday outfits type video. I'll link it here if you guys want to check it out. I think this is so cute and also comes in tan, which is a really good color to have as well. You can definitely dress this up, dress it down. You could wear it with a hoodie and sneakers for a more casual look, or like a mock neck and a scarf for a more dressed up look. So this is super versatile. It has shoulder pads in it. I really like this and I think it's super cute. I'm excited to try this on and see how it fits. Next, so excited for this. This is so cute. I already am obsessed. Like I know this is gonna be such a staple. I'm gonna wear this like all the time. I'm like literally already obsessed. It's this faux leather kind of like shirt jacket type thing. I literally love the style of these. Like this has been kind of like on my list of things that I like want to get. I think it's so cute. It's different than like a faux leather blazer because I feel like this is definitely more relaxed and more casual. In my opinion, I feel like it's easier to style because you can literally just throw this on with anything. So it's great for just kind of like everyday casual things like errands or going to get coffee. I just know I'm gonna get so much wear out of this. Cannot emphasize how cute this is. Next, I got this blazer. It's just like a regular kind of fabric. I'm always seeing these on Instagram and Pinterest. They're so trendy. This one also has shoulder pads. This can also be styled a lot of different ways, like very casual or dressy. I feel like this is also just a good winter wardrobe essential. Lastly, I picked up this little vest. I am obsessed with vests right now and I just thought this one was so cute. It's kind of like this quilted little vest. I think this would be really cute with like a mock neck or like a crew neck sweatshirt, even like with what I'm wearing right now. I feel like vests are such a great essential as well. Like all of these items I feel like are just really good staples to have in your wardrobe. These are also kind of trendy right now. I've been seeing them everywhere and I like this little cropped kind of boxy one. I think it's just really cute. Those are the clothing pieces I picked up from Nasty Gal. Now I can have some cute clothes going into the holiday season and for like any Christmas activities that I'm gonna be doing. Once again, I'm gonna have everything linked below so you can find all Nasty Gal products and purchase through the links in my description. Thank you so much to Nasty Gal for sponsoring. I love all these pieces. Now I'm just gonna head to Starbucks and try out the holiday drinks and treats. Christmas music is essential to getting in the holiday spirit. So of course I'm listening to Christmas music. Also, if you're wondering, I have to wear glasses when I'm driving because I can't see far away. It just started snowing. I don't even like snow or winter weather, to be honest, but in this situation, I will approve. Could I do a grande iced chestnut praline latte with one less pump of the syrup? Is there like a cranberry, like some kind of like seasonal treat thing?
Like, yeah, we've got that.
Could I do one of those?
The Bliss Bar, yeah.
I couldn't think of the name of it. I feel like Will from Stranger Things whenever I wear puffer vests. So I got my orders. I'm really excited to taste this. So I got the iced caramel brulee. I'm really glad I got it iced because this just looks really good. You can see the little caramel brulee sprinkles at the top. This is like different than I remember, honestly. Or not caramel brulee. I said caramel. Oh, did I order caramel brulee? Okay, no, I didn't. These look like little cookie crumbs almost. I remember like little translucent looking sprinkles. It's been a while and I love tasting new drinks. I got this. I got the cranberry Bliss Bar. And this honestly looks so good. It's like cheesecake. I think it is cheesecake actually. I feel like I'm holding this really weird. Looks like that. It literally looks like cheesecake. Wow. That's amazing. Oh my goodness. This literally tastes like dessert that you would get from a restaurant. Like, it tastes like cheesecake with like little cranberries on top. This is like too good for just like an afternoon treat with your coffee. I'm gonna try the iced chestnut praline. I'm really excited to taste this. Oh wow, that's really good. I was afraid it'd be really sweet, so I got one less pump of the syrup, but it's actually really strong. Like, I can really taste the coffee. I can like really taste the sprinkles. So I would rate this a 10 out of 10. Next, I was gonna go to Target and look at all of their like holiday decorations, and then I'm just gonna do a little haul. I feel like one of the essential things to get in the holiday spirit is like scents, good smelling Christmassy candles and soaps. Taking a trip to Bath & Body Works is definitely essential. I'm definitely more in the Christmas spirit because I'm really excited to decorate. I'm back home and I just wanted to do a little haul of the Christmas things I picked up. I didn't realize how much I have cumulatively picked up because I went to Target and I got a whole bunch of things, but then before that I also picked up a couple things, and then before that I also picked up a few things at IKEA. So I'm gonna do a little haul, or a not so little haul. First up is Bath & Body Works. So I picked up 6 soaps and I'll show you which ones I got. The first one is Sweater Weather, which in my mind is a little bit more of a fall scent, but this would be like a good fall to Christmas transition soap scent. I usually have one in my bathroom and then one in my kitchen. I go through these pretty quickly. And then I got this Winterberry Ice. All of these smell so good. I'm terrible at describing scents, so you should just go into Bath & Body Works and smell them. Oh yeah, this one smells really good. This is like your classic winter smell. Like, it literally smells like winterberry. And this is like the gel one, not like the foaming one. I also picked up the Frosted Cranberry. This is also just like a classic smell. It smells so Christmassy, and to me this is kind of like a nostalgic scent because this is one of my mom's favorites. It just kind of smells like home to me. I also picked up this Marshmallow Fireside. I like how they have like the different looks. I think we all know what this one smells like. Very like sweet marshmallows, a little bit of like a bonfire undertone, but it also just smells like very cozy winter. This one might just be my favorite, and it is the Winter Candy Apple. My mom actually has this one out in the bathroom at home. It just smells so good. I literally don't know how to describe it, but it's like very like sweet, but also like fresh. Also picked up this one, Warm Vanilla Sugar. It's not like a seasonal like holiday scent, it's just like a basic one. That's like a lot of winter and holiday scents to kind of go through in the next few months, so I just picked up one standard one to kind of use once it's like January, February, if I don't want any like seasonal winter ones. This one is just a really good scent. It's like a very comforting scent. I also got this 1 wick Frosted Cranberry candle. I had a really hard time deciding, but I didn't want to get more than one. I have been burning candles a lot, but I feel like it takes me a really long time to go through a candle. It's like these little 1 wick ones. I feel like they're perfect for me. I will not go through this whole thing during the holiday season, so I just got one of them. Next is Target. I went a little bit crazy, so I might not be keeping all these items. I'm just gonna get out all of my Christmas decorations and see what I actually need. I picked up this little pillow. I think it was like literally $3 or something. It's just like this little Sherpa star pillow. Literally so cute. I also got this pillow. I just thought it was really cute, and it's plaid on the back, and then it says joy in like these little embroidered letters on the front. I don't know if I'm gonna have a good spot for it, but I just thought it was really cute. I also got 2 of these pillows. I just thought these looked really Christmassy and just like really festive. These are from the Magnolia section. They're like really good quality, like very like soft and plush. There were so many cute pillows. I also picked up this little blanket. I just thought this was really cute. Last but not least, I picked up some random things from like the little dollar section. When you first walk in, there's like a bunch of random things. I picked up these little trees. They're like Sherpa, like little plush like pillow trees. I saw this one and I just thought my sister would really like it. She loves this color and she loves like this Sherpa cozy plush material. So this is just so her. I just know she will love it, so I just picked this up for her. I also got one for myself, so I just got this darker green color. I also got this little candle from the Magnolia section. It smells so good. It literally smells like a Christmas tree. Also like really sleek and aesthetic looking, so I could not pass this up. I also got this little Christmas tree. It's just like a basic white little tree, very like minimalistic and aesthetic, and it's kind of like velvet. It also came in dark green, light green, and some other colors. Last but not least, I just got this little jar. It's like cream with like a little bit of red on the bottom. That is everything I picked up from Target. I also picked up a few things from IKEA. So I got this tree. It's kind of big. I just thought this was really cute to kind of set in like the corner of my living room. I also got these little pillowcase, like pillow cover things. How many pillows do I think I have? Like I just went kind of crazy with pillows. I picked up some wrapping paper and I went a little crazy. If you guys watched my Week of My Life vlog, I actually vlogged going into IKEA, and it was in October, and I was so excited and surprised to see Christmas stuff. I just went a little crazy. Literally cannot hold these. What is going on? I literally don't know what is going on with these. So I got this one, and paper with like little green Christmas trees. This one is kind of like the same, but with like little white snowflakes kind of. These, which actually came in a set of 3, but I gave the 3rd one to my mom because she really liked these and I did not need all of them. And then I got this set of 3. I just thought they were really cute, and I don't think I have any that are green. I'll get each person like 2 or 3 like gifts, like 1 big gift and a couple small gifts, and I like to do them all in like different wrapping paper. Lastly, I did pick up an advent calendar. This is just like a children's advent calendar. I also got a little 12-day one from Elf Cosmetics. I think that is everything for the haul portion of this video. So next up is actually decorating. Just need to bring my tree up and get that kind of set up, and then actually set out all my Christmas decorations. I am going to be filming a decorating my apartment for Christmas video, so I'm just going to show a couple clips of decorating, but if you want to see the full thing, definitely check out that video. I have a lot of decorating to do. I have a lot of plants and fall decorations, so I need to kind of take all the fall decorations down, figure out where to move my plants, get all the Christmas decorations out. So right now they're all in my garage, so I just need to bring everything up, start setting them out. Let's get to decorating. I'm moving my Christmas tree up. I think I'm actually gonna put it in a different spot than I did last year. You guys can probably hear my dishwasher, but last year I put it right here. I'm thinking this year I'm gonna put it here, kind of in front of the window. I think that'll look really good. I'm gonna put the tree here. Mini tree that I got last year from IKEA. I think it's so cute, so I'm gonna put this in my room. It's very like bent from being packaged up, so I'm just gonna decorate this, and it's actually getting pretty late. It's already dark out, so like it's just kind of late, even though it's like not late. It's like 4 p.m. I feel like I'm like running out of time to finish decorating, but I think I'm just going to finish decorating tomorrow morning. So this is all from IKEA, and I just think it's the perfect like little Christmas tree for my bedroom. It's actually the next day from when I was vlogging next, shopping at Target to pick up a few things for tonight. I want some really cute like Last thing to get at Target is the cookies. So I'm back home from Target and I just wanted to do a little haul of what I picked up for this cozy night in. I got a few things. So I got some hot chocolate, just like the little instant pack. Loved these as a kid. I also got these little sugar cookies. I feel like these are just a holiday classic. I also got some eggnog. I've never had eggnog before and I've always been interested to try it. I also picked up these little Christmas trees. I just thought they would look cute in my bathroom. Last time from Target, I got some Christmas pajamas because I feel like these are definitely essential, especially for like a cozy Christmas night. I just feel like these will just be good all season long. I think that is everything for this mini haul. Got my comfy pajamas on and now I'm just going to get started on the cookies. Really excited for these. I haven't had these cookies in a long time. Place cookie dough rounds on ungreased cookie sheet. There they are. Can I just like eat it? The cookie dough is so good. There we go. I'm gonna make some hot chocolate while I wait for the cookies. I also want to try the eggnog. Literally just opened it like that and it went everywhere. I feel like I can still save this packet. They've been in there 12 minutes, so I think they're done. I let the cookies cool and they definitely look good, like they look done. I've got my cookies, I've got my hot chocolate, so now I'm gonna taste the eggnog. And honestly, I don't think I'm gonna like it. I'm kind of scared to try it, to be honest. Oh my gosh, it's like yellow. Cheers. It tastes like something, but I don't know. Frosting. I can kind of see where this is a Christmassy beverage because it kind of has a sweet taste. It reminds me of bubble gum. It tastes like bubble gum. Am I crazy? My camera died, but it definitely does taste like bubble gum. Actually not a bad taste. Like I would recommend buying some eggnog and just tasting it for fun. If you guys have tasted it before, definitely let me know in the comments below what you guys think it tastes like. I'm gonna try one of my cookies now. Really good, like the best little cookies. And they're so easy to make. Now I just need to get started on decorating my tree. I think I'm gonna watch a Christmas movie while I do that. I think I'm just gonna end the video here. Here is my tree. I'm still finishing it up. The smart plugs from Amazon so I can just hook it up with my ALEXA and just set my Christmas tree to turn on and off at a certain time each day, or just like tell my ALEXA to turn it on and to turn it off. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, getting in the holiday spirit. I hope you guys feel like more in the holiday spirit just from watching this video. Definitely give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed and would like to see like a part 2. Maybe like building gingerbread houses, going ice skating, like doing some more like winter and holiday activities. Comment a red heart if you stayed until this point in the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Turn on the notification bell. Follow me on Instagram at emilygrace.26 and I will see you in my next video. Bye.